Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a good time with your family and friends. So, with this video, you will be able to learn how to draw the portrait with the correct outline. So, before starting the process, I would like to ask you that are you a fan of your idol and you strongly believe that you should try to draw their face and you try hard to draw, but at the end you mess up with the portrait and you are unable to draw it correctly as you wanted to draw? What I am trying to say is that when you are trying to draw the portrait, the picture you have taken as a reference and what you have drawn is completely different. You end up with drawing some different shape or a different person. So if you do this, then you are here on a correct video that I will show you how to draw a portrait with the with the correct outlines as similar to your reference. So let me not waste your time talking with these nonsense things. So let's start the video. So many times we mess up the portrait and we are unable to draw the correct outline, and because of this we lose the confidence of drawing and we just exit. We don't want to draw. But instead of doing that, I will show you this technique or method. If you try it 5 times or 4 times, you will boost your confidence and you will be able to draw. And after that, you will be able to draw which is similar to the reference. So this technique is called as a grid technique, in which the portrait is broken down into small grids or small boxes so that it becomes very easy to analyze the reference and draw it. And if you are a beginner, I will teach you how to draw it by using a grid technique. So in this video, I have used an app for making the grids on my reference. But if you want to learn, if you don't have an app or you have only one phone, then you can take out the Xerox or a soft copy of the portrait, and I have shown how to draw by using the soft copy. You can find it on my channel, where I have took the reference of BTS Jimin, how to draw a portrait of BTS Jimin by using a grid technique, where I have used a Xerox photo of him. So you can watch out there, and it's a nice, you can learn something from that. And so this video is about drawing BTS Jimin by using a grid technique, where I have used an app. This app is called as the Drawing Grid Maker. So you can find the link in my description. It is a drawing grid maker. So I will show you that how you have to use this app. So now I will select the app Drawing Grid Maker, where I will select the first icon over there, and through that I will select my reference. You can see that it is BTS Jimin, and then there is a square. There is a box. I will tick over that, or I will select that, and I will keep my thickness of lines as 0, and now I will select the number of rows. I normally take the number of rows as 10 because I feel easy. You can also take 15 or 20, but I recommend you to use the smallest number. And then I will select the label, and then you can see the portrait is labeled. It becomes easy if you label that. So I wanted to tell you that if you select the number of boxes, it's better if you keep the size of the boxes between 1.5 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters, because if you take it very small, then it becomes difficult to take out the reference and draw, and if you take very large, then it too becomes difficult. So I recommend you to take the size as a small, between 1.5 to 2.5. So after we have taken the grids over the reference, what we are going to do is we are going to measure the size of our paper. So I am measuring the size of my paper, and after measuring I found out the length to be 24 and width is 17 centimeters, and we want our rows as 10, so I will divide 24 by 10, which is 2.5 nearly. And the size of our rows are the width and the on vertically and horizontally should be similar, so all the rows should be in similar size, that is 2.4. And now we will start drawing the rows both vertically and horizontally by taking the width as 2.4. And now our grid sheet is ready. So after drawing the grid sheet, what we have to do is start from drawing the eyes. I actually start drawing from the eyes, but many of us start from the head or from the chin area. So it's your wish. I recommend you to draw from starting the eyes. So first I will start the shape of the eyes. So you have to locate where the eyes are exactly located in the reference. So you can find that the eyes are located in the D3 column, and so I will start drawing from there. And after that we have to see our reference and start drawing the parts of the face where they are located in the reference, and keep going. Taken is the face is little bit tilted slightly towards right side, so you have to keep in mind that while drawing the eyes, nose and lips and parts of the face, everything should be tilted, and you can see that's what happening here. The nose is little, it's not straight, so the shape changes here, and also with the lips. So while drawing that, you should keep in mind that what direction the face is. Here the face is slightly tilted towards the right side, so the shape of the nose, lips and eyes will be little bit different. And that's it with a great technique, and you can see I have drawn. So guys, if you like my technique and like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming here and always supporting me and my art. Thank you very much.